Jai Hind to everyone. In previous lecture we completed the network level security. So another type of security level in the cloud is host level security. As you are familiar about the host you may say that the node, you may say that the computer where the program runs. So at the host level, in today's lecture we will measure or we will learn about the host level security. We already know that our cloud is mainly divided in three parts: software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. And it is based on the delivery model. And as per the deployment model, it is divided into the public, private, and hybrid. So when we are learning host level security, we majorly focus about the which type of delivery model it is, like whether it is a SaaS, whether it is a PaaS, or whether it is a infrastructure as a service. In the previous level, which was the network level, we read about the that we are not too much concerned about the delivery model or SaaS level, PaaS level, or IaaS level. That was mainly focused on the public, private, and hybrid. But here it is mainly depends on the delivery model, SaaS, PaaS, and infrastructure as a service. When we are looking at the security, and if we take the SaaS and PaaS first, in that case you will see in the next slide, or you will learn in the next lecture, when you will continue this lecture, is that SaaS and PaaS generally have very less security threats, and it is majorly maintained by the cloud service provider. You may say that there is very less security threats, or you may say that the another side is that since cloud service provider is not providing their code at the level of SaaS and PaaS to the vendor, and it is mainly managed by the cloud server provider, means user is bound to the cloud server provider's security facility. But it doesn't mean that attack can't be happen on the SaaS and PaaS. So how can a user cope up with this thing or manage this thing? After that you will learn about that infrastructure as a service and security concern at the infrastructure as a service. So here you will learn that virtualization, or at the level of virtualization there is a problem or certain problem of security threats. So let us start. Which I already told you that written here, in generally CSPs do not publicly share information related to their host platform. Why not they are sharing? That is also for the security concern. If they will share their host platform, in that case attacker will read that document or read their specification and a attack can be organized by the hacker. They will not provide they are not providing the information like host platform, host operating system, and the processes that are in place to secure the host. Hence, in context, SaaS. One of the example of the SaaS, Salesforce.com and Workday.com, and example of the PaaS is Google App Engine and Salesforce. Force.com. Cloud service host security is obligated to customer, and responsibility of securing the host is regulated to the CSP. Means all the responsibility is the cloud server provider. So it doesn't mean that there will not be any attack on